I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play music on Roblox Mobile. First, understand there are two primary methods, using a boombox or an in-game radio. You'll often need Robux to purchase these items or the audio assets themselves. Always check if the specific game you're playing supports custom audio playback, as not all experiences allow it. This foundational knowledge will help you get started. To use a boombox, first acquire one from the Roblox catalog or within a game's shop. Next, locate the unique audio ID for your chosen song on the Roblox website. This is a numerical identifier. Once you have it, simply input the audio ID into the boombox interface. Remember, some audio assets might be copyrighted or restricted, so always be mindful of content guidelines. Many games offer their own built-in radio systems or music game passes. Look for these options within the game's menu or shop. After purchasing a game pass or interacting with a radio object, you can often select from a curated list of songs. Some advanced systems even allow you to input audio ID directly. Keep in mind that not every game supports custom music uploads. If you encounter issues, first check your device's volume and the in-game sound settings. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth audio streaming. Also, confirm that the audio asset you're trying to play hasn't been removed by Roblox. Finally, always respect copyright laws and Roblox's terms of service to ensure a positive and compliant music playing experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.